Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a computer run a little bit faster as well as make it a little bit more responsive. Good news is this is going to work on from systems running Windows XP all the way up to actually the new Windows 10, which I'm running right now. So let's go get right into the meat and potatoes. The first thing I want you to do is actually press the Windows logo key on your keyboard along with the R key at the same time. That's going to bring up the little run box. And from here, I want you to type the word control and with a space and then the word system. After you do that, you can either click OK or hit enter. This is going to bring up a system screen. And from here, you're going to go ahead and just leave this screen up. So we're going to be referencing something from it. So from here, I want you to click on where it says Advanced System Settings to the left. Go ahead and click on that. And you're going to have multiple tabs up here at the top. I'm already on the Advanced tab. That's a tab I want you to go to as well. So once you're there, you're going to see the Performance heading. And go ahead and click on Settings. Okay, now yours is going to look different than mine. I've already kind of went through this a little bit. Basically, this is the Windows eye candy department, if you want to think of it that way. The more checkboxes you have, the more eye candy and more visual appealing it's going to look. Right now, I only have one checkbox. It says show thumbnails instead of icons. Basically, what that does is like if you go in like your pictures folder and you see the little previews of each picture, that's what that box does. It allows you to see the previews. If you don't have that checked, it's going to be like a looks like a canvas picture or something like that, something generic picture from Microsoft, and they'll all look the same. So this is kind of handy and it saves a lot of time. So I always have that one checked. I said, and also too, you'll also have another one down here towards the bottom. If you're running Windows XP, Vista, or 7, it's going to say use visual styles for buttons and windows, I believe. You want that one checked as well, because that actually still keeps some of the eye candy. It doesn't have too big of an effect on performance, because that's really what all these do. Basically, the less you have checked, the better performance boost you're going to get. So the more you have checked, it's actually going to slow you down. So for me personally, I left it on the show thumbnails instead of icons, and that's actually does really well. And you do see actually a difference as soon as you hit apply and OK. So I would recommend go ahead and just leaving that one. You can always play around with them. It's not going to actually hurt the computer at all. And you can always go ahead and back and let Windows choose what's best for your computer if it wasn't your fancy. So then from here, as soon as you get done with this under the visual effects, you go right to advanced on the top. And then there's another spot here that says virtual memory. I want you to go ahead and hit change. And then from here, yours may look very similar. You have a checkbox at the top. Go ahead and hit the checkbox, so basically it's unchecked. And now, depending on which drive yours has it's going to say system managed. And that's the one you want to make sure you're highlighted on, is one that says system managed to the right side over here. And then from here, I want you to click on the little button that says custom size. And now, if you look to the system box, the other box we had that popped up over here, so that the one you don't want you to close yet, because we're referencing something. There's actually one line here that says installed memory RAM, and then it has a number. Yours may be a little bit different. Yours may say 2, 6, 8, 12, 16. Mine says 4. So what I want you to do is basically take that number times that by 2. So go ahead and put that value in. So mine would be 8, for example. Then after you type that value, add 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, so 8,000. And then I want you to put that same number you just put in on the bottom one as well. And then from here, I want you to hit set. And then you can hit OK. And yours may already ask, a box may pop up asking you, letting you know to go ahead and restart after it's done. And just click OK to that. Mine didn't. After that, you can go ahead and just click OK. And then from there, you can actually go to Startup and Recovery. That's going to bring up another box that basically allows you to go ahead and helps with booting a little bit faster too. Your Windows version is going to be right here, and you'll have this checkbox that says Time to Display. Just uncheck it, and then hit OK. And all right, everyone, that's going to go ahead and conclude today's episode. If you didn't get that little box asking you to go ahead and restart if changes were made, go ahead and do it anyway, just to be safe. And also, if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. And you'll also be going ahead and supporting more future content. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.